Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to crop image into circle shape in Canva. After starting Canva, we can go to here to choose templates to create a new design. In this example, I will use Instagram post. I click it to create a square artboard, and then we can go to elements and go to frame. And then go down to frames. We can click see all. There are many shapes of frame we can choose. For example, I choose circle frame, and then circle frame is added into Artboard. Next, we can go to file folder. I have an image downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the download link in this video description. Now I drag and drop into Canva, and then drag it into circle frame. Actually, we can click to select a circle frame, and then we can scale it. And we can rotate. I press Ctrl inside to undo the rotation. Also, we can move it. I try to fit the size of Instagram post and I scale it. Actually, we can customize the crop area. We can double click to go into crop tool. We can move it. We can scale it. And I move it here. Also, we can rotate. Actually, we can go to crop panel. We can use smart crop to crop by Canva automatically. If we're happy with this, we can go to done to complete it. So this is how we can crop image into circle shape in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.